Hi everyone, let me just briefly tell you a little bit about this course. First of all, this course is a project. It's designed to be hands-on, practical training, and the way I deliver the content of this course is through screen recordings and presentations. So you don't just hear me talking about how to do something or what to do. Instead of that, I prefer to show you, and that is why we use a lot of screen recordings. So you're watching me over the shoulder, and wherever it's more relevant, wherever it provides a better learning experience for you, I also use presentations. Now, the whole thing is structured and designed for you to follow along and take action as you are learning. It's designed for you to build a digital marketing business right from the ground up, so completely from scratch, and it's based on over a decade of experience. It's also based on solid methods for long-term success. So everything we do here is based on a very solid foundation. Now, here's what it doesn't do. It doesn't assume that you have any prior knowledge, and it doesn't assume that you have prior business experience. And it doesn't contain fluff or filler. Every single lesson, every single step in this course is there for a reason, and every single one is important. We don't use any questionable methods. We don't use black hat methods. We don't use unsustainable methods. We only use solid methods that are sustainable into the future. And there's no fostering of unrealistic expectations. So, for example, it is very unrealistic to expect to earn $10,000 in your first 30 days. Now, I know there's a lot of hype out there when it comes to digital marketing, but here in this course and from me, you're not going to hear any of that. And to help you with your learning experience, throughout the course, there are 8 checkpoints. Now, these checkpoints are designed for you to pause, reflect on what you have learned and done so far. You can take a multiple choice test, and you can download and complete a checklist. Okay, I'll see you in a minute in the next lesson.